Hello, we are going to start creating our bird. We're going to be cutting out our body parts, and we're going to do something called a collage when we glue them together to create our bird. So let's start with the head. If you drew a beak, you can cut that out too. If you just drew the head, I would just cut out that. Here I'm cutting at my wings. You might have two wings. I just have one because I'm just doing one side of the flamingo. You're going to take the white piece of paper you're given on your tray, and I will put your bird together first. There we go. And then it's time to glue it together. And glue it on the white paper so that way it'll like stay together more. If you just kind of glue it together, sometimes it falls apart, I've noticed. Even though you think it's together, sometimes it isn't. So this way you can just put glue in the back. Oops. So I gotta put that a little bit too close there. Bird wing. It can go off the white paper as long as it's kind of touching it. Part of the bird has to touch the white paper so it will stick. After you're done that, it's time to cut it out. Just be careful. If it's wet, it could be sticky, especially if you use a little too much glue. So make sure, just be careful. Voila, I have my bird. Now, what is it missing? Yeah, it's missing its feet. Now, some of you, if you didn't do a beak because, say, like you made your bird on green paper, you could do your beak today. Typically, you're gonna be looking at your picture of your beak again. Like this beak on this flamingo is kind of curved, but a triangle. And this little ducky, you know, if you're using this kind of, it's just more kind of a round triangle. You're also looking at the feet. We're going to do our feet too. Now the flamingo has really long legs. So what I would do is, you're going to cut out shapes or draw shapes that look like the legs and feet. And then, here we have the feet. A lot of birds have like 3 triangles. Then I would connect this to the leg. There we go. I would glue it on down here. Now my flamingo is gigantic. Most of your birds will not be this big. But I can't really have it any other way because the flamingo is pretty tall with its legs. There we go. And then up here, if you wanted to do your bird beak, Again, look at the photo. I'm going to put a little orange over mine, like that. A little shape for my beak. I'll glue it on. There we go. Try it.